So let's just check our form. Look down at your feet and start with your big toe and spread out to the pinky toe. Really ground, and now draw the weight a little back into your heels. Make sure your knee is directly over your ankle. And now take the shoulders slightly back. Draw the shoulder blades together and shoulder over hip. Hold on to the ball as you stand up, and we'll go get your weights. Bring the arms down, let them hang. Draw the shoulder blades back, and actually let's do a little shoulder roll. So roll the shoulders up, kind of squish them up, and then drop them down. Let them hang. So roll them up, squish, 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 and then drop down. Whew. Roll them up. Get rid of that tightness in the shoulder and drop it down. Good. Come up tight, 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 and then let it drop and release. One more time. Squeeze up, 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 and then let go. Oh, nice. Rotate the palms forward. Have a really loose grip. All right, so wiggle the fingers a little bit. Bring your elbows, tuck them in. Bicep curl here for 8. Stay tall. 7. It's 6 and 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Second set. It's 8. 7. Good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. One more set. It's 8. 7, 6, 5. Good. 4, 3. Here's 2. And 1. Now let the arms rest for a moment, and now take the arms a little more out to the side, and we're going to just do a little rotation in and a rotation out. So the shoulder blades come together, you're going to rotate in, and then you're going to rotate out. All right, so inhale, exhale out, inhale, exhale it out. Inhale, exhale out. Inhale, stay tall. Exhale out. Let's do 4 more. Inhale, exhale out. Inhale. Make a complete exhalation. Inhale. Exhale it all out. One more time. Inhale. Exhale out. Perfect. Now bring the arms down for just a second. We'll do alternating bicep curls, but we're going to stay with that external rotation out. So my hands are out the side. We'll start with the right. So the right comes up for 8, 7, 6, 5. Here's 4, 3. I know it looks funny too. And 1. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold right here, both arms up for 8, 7, 6, elbows stay tucked in, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 more. Good work. All right. Rotate the palms back. Draw the shoulder blades together and pull the tummy in. So arm comes forward for 8, 7, 6, 5. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Here's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we have 1 more set. It's 8, 7, 6, 5. Here's 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now both arms come up with a nice deep breath up. Exhale it out. Inhale up. Exhale out. Inhale up. Keep the shoulders soft. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. We're warming up now, huh? Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. Beautiful. So coming out to the sides, elbows soft, lifting for 8. Shoulder blades down. 7. Here's 6 and 5. It's 4, 3. Here's 2 and 1. Good work. Second set. Here's 8 and 7. Good. 6 and 5. It's 4, 3. Keep the shoulders soft. Here's 2 and last one. Very nice. All right, our last set here of triceps. So shoulders back, belly in, bring the arms up. Elbows come a little bit closer to the side of your face. You're going to push straight up for 8, 7. Here's 6, 5. Good. 4, 3. Stay strong. 2 and 1. Good. Second set. Here's 8 and 7, 6 and 5. Good. 4, 3. It's 2 and one more set. Here we go. 8, 7. It's 6, 5. Good. 4, 3. Here's 2. Last one. Beautiful. Beautiful job. Very carefully. Let's go ahead and take, let's go ahead and put our weights down. We're going to come up to the top of your mat here. All right, so hands behind your back. Walk the feet out. Get the ball right there in that middle of your back. Hands behind your head. Straighten out the legs. Come into a reverse plank. Support your head and neck, or if your neck is fine, you can let the arms just drape. Very good. Tuck the chin in, bend your knees, and go ahead and come down onto the floor. Grab onto your ball. Take your feet together. Bound angle pose, Baddha Konasana. Bringing the ball between your knees. Bring your elbows on either side of your ball and bring your hands to Namaste. Thumbs together and thumbs to the third eye. Namaste. Thank you guys so much.